Hi, I'm John from Mission Lean, and today we're going to talk about 3 amazing snacks that will help you get more lean right away. Carrots. Carrots are a great option to take with you on the go. You can wash them at home and throw them into a Ziploc bag. Wait until you're feeling really hungry and then bring them out. You'll notice that it takes a lot of effort to chew a carrot, and so you'll be kept busy munching while you snack. A carrot snack will force you to eat more slowly, and so you'll probably eat less overall. Carrots are a great replacement snack for when you're craving something crispy, like chips. It will satisfy the need for the crunchiness, but with a fraction of the calories and way more nutrition. Walnuts and bananas. Walnuts are a great snack because they're healthy and also incredibly filling. They've got lots of healthy fats and tons of vitamins and nutrients. I would recommend eating the walnuts with the banana for a satiating combo that will satisfy hunger and keep you satiated for a very long time. When you combine the walnuts with the banana, you're getting a great crunch along with the smooth, creamy texture of the banana. This is a great replacement for when you're craving a rich, sweet dessert. For some reason, eating these 2 ingredients together does the trick. You'll be full for hours afterwards and benefit from some serious lean gains. Getting toned and developing a six-pack is possible if you just start doing the right habits. If you want to know how to get lean, it's no longer a mystery. Snack in the right way and reap the results. Know your mission. Mission Lean. Now that you know all about these great nutrition hacks, try planning and cooking your meals with our app Mission Lean, which is available in the App Store and the Google Play Store. Also, you can check out our free nutrition ebook on missionlean.com. Let me know what your thoughts are of the video by commenting below and giving the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Check out the site for even more great resources, recipes, and workouts. And of course, download our app Mission Lean from the App Store if you want to get started right away.